Got the old one out. Fucking easy peasy. Torque converter on. Took it apart. Cleaned it. There's the old Robbins. I'm gonna clean it up really good and then rebuild that one for a spare, or rebuild it and sell it. So, but it runs good. It just has a little bit of a knock. I think I might need new rods, or maybe just me. I don't know. I've been in the car industry for 10 years. Now I'm doing trucks, so it sounds like a knock to me. So we'll find out. But this one I know is good. Good way to put it in, leak free. I actually have the fan hub assembly on there. I didn't have a fan hub on that one. Alright, ready to go in. Well, bad news. The difference, much quieter. It's not knocking no more.